Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making fried bread, what's called Mekike. I remember growing up, every kid loved Mekike. I never met a person that didn't like it. You're going to need 4.5 cups flour, 1.5 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. We're going to start with the flour. Just make the little space in the center with the spoon for the rest of the ingredients. Then we're going to add warm water, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, tablespoon of sugar, and then mix it slowly for about 5 minutes for yeast to get activated. After that, add salt and then start kneading the dough until it stops sticking to your hands. And at the end, it should come out really smooth and soft. Spread a little bit of oil on the bowl and also on the dough. Cover it with the plastic wrap and a towel and set it on the side to rise. Get a separate dish with the water and put some salt in it. That helps so the dough doesn't stick to your hands, and salt stops oil from splashing. After the dough is doubled in size, just uncover it, dip your fingers into salt water, and the only thing you need to do, just take the dough straight out of the bowl. Stretch it and put it in a fryer. I use the fryer, but you can use anything as long as you have enough oil in it. Preheat the oil on 320 degrees. Fry the dough for about 5 minutes. And then flip them on the other side for about 2 minutes. And then just take them out. And just repeat all the steps until all the dough is gone. They come out so beautiful. They're so crunchy outside and soft on inside. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.